So, hello, mama.
You'll find what you're looking for when you stop looking. All of your exes with lessons in. Talk about them again, you keep on settling. Wonder if love is a pain or the medicine. You never let it in. Well, I guess that you're right. Vegas been never my type, and I didn't build up this wall overnight. See, I wanted more than just lust for the night. Then you came in my life. You're different than them. I'm used to them playing pretend. I'm used to you're only a friend. Felt deep with each letter you send. I'm questioning love and again.
Hello, here in my garage again with my Lambo, and today I am removing the airbags, most of the airbags besides the front ones from the car. And Dan, with his S14 that I showed in the last video that has a blacktop SR, yesterday we dropped off his white S13, which is normally here, to get the full 10-point cage done and the full exhaust done. So today we're moving this under his shed over there, as you can see, because it's supposed to rain for the next 3 days here. It's supposed to start raining today in like a couple of hours. So he's going to be pulling out the SR and fixing some stuff and probably rebuilding the power steering rack. I was gonna repaint the bumper today, but instead I decided to pull out the airbags while it's still nice out, because tomorrow I can just pull off the front bumper and prep it and paint it inside the garage while it's raining, because the humidity doesn't really matter inside the garage. That's more an indoorsy type of thing to do. So that would be tomorrow's video. I did actually record a couple of clips yesterday. I was hoping to do a video, but they're kind of pointless. It'd be a stupid video because all we did was drive to Manhattan. Well, we drove to Clifton an hour to drop off his S13. Then we drove to Manhattan an hour, or no, it was actually Brooklyn, but we drove through Manhattan, which means it took forever. So we just spent all day driving, and we sold the interior for $1,300, which, bless, the stock interior is worth that much. So yeah, that's all we did yesterday, and today I'm just going to continue taking little things out. I did vacuum it, so it's prettier. BMW has this weird green tone for the body. It doesn't matter what color the car is, it's just this color, but I will eventually probably sand down and paint the entire interior. I really want to do like a full white interior with like the white cage, but I'd like to paint all of that at once when the cage is in too, because I think that would look, you know, pretty nice. So I'm gonna go disconnect the battery because I don't want these airbags exploding, but there's one right there, there's one right there, and then same thing on this side. There's obviously one in the steering wheel and there's one in the passenger, which I will take out eventually. The steering wheel is getting a racing steering wheel, so there's no need of that. I'll just be selling that full steering wheel together.
What you doing?
Happy birthday, Dan.
Oh yeah, thank you.
It's his birthday. He's born on leap year, but it's stupid, so it's not actually his birthday. But, and then this airbag I'll remove. I don't know how to remove these. I'll do it another day, but I think you have to go through the glove box.
Battery and set them off.
Yeah, just set them off. I'll sit on the tire as it gets set off.
My heart don't break even. I bought this for longer than only a season, and you didn't break me. You came to pick up the pieces. No, you never hear it, but you is who I believe in. No one ever perfect, but you are perfect to me. And lately I'm believing in love. You are the reason. I'm talking to my angels above. Wish you could meet him. Wish I could see him one more day. Just to hear his voice tell me everything is okay. Just to show him that his son is here, spoken to change. And hear him laugh when I tell him about the stories we made, pretending like I'm okay. I'm broken and you know it. Building up a wall and never show it. Grabbing on my face told me focus. You're not the only one that's been broken. I'm hoping you open up. I thought what? Thinking that I'm always hoping, but I realize I've been swollen shut. There's more to us. There's more to love than surface lust. The surface front. And the night I might spill my guts, she said.
Okay, so that was, oh shit, I was able to get all this stuff out, all this glue. There are little residue marks which I think brake cleaner and some stuff will do. But you can see what the OEM color is here, the carbon black. Which isn't the worst color, because you know, if this car was red and I open the door and it's a blue and silver car and all you see is bright red, that'd be kind of annoying. But luckily it's like a color that even the door jambs don't look so bad, you know. So yeah, I kind of got anal where it looks ugly if it's left on there. I think I'm gonna go back there to that door and take off the rest off camera. Basically, I found a good method. If any of you guys have to do this, I don't know what it is, like black silicone, I guess. But I know a lot of doors, they use like this stuff to hold in the plastic or the foam or whatever they use for like kind of sound insulation. And you would take like a little bit of this and you would actually just put it on the existing one and just keep ripping, and it gets a lot of it off that way. Obviously this is just little marks left there, but the major part, it works well because I literally got all of it off. You can see where it used to be because it's super clean. But yeah, I think Dan's gonna start his 240 now, so we should go participate in that. I forgot it was open downpipe. I was expecting a noise to come from the back.
Saving money, you know. $200.
Looks cool. Car just looks cool. So that is all. I'll be making a video tomorrow, with or without him, I don't know. And repainting the front bumper so I can fix that little white spot, and repainting the mirrors and whatever else. Maybe the kidney grills because they are silver in the game, and so are the side and three things. No. Just this little outer rim, not the things. I don't know. We'll see. I'll see. I might just do it just for the hell of it because the can is easy to do. But yeah, bye.